display our bows and our crown in the fishing ground. We would like to impress on the general public the plight of many reef inhabitants. They are being caught too often and too young. Even though there are no displays, we want to better appreciate your part in the response to the kind of these are